Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Don't you just love that sound? Well, I want all of you to hear that sound all the time. For those of you that already joined my affiliate program, congratulations. For those of you that haven't, what I want you to do is go over to amandabobbett.com. At the very top, you'll see affiliate program. Sign up. Tonight is our first call where I'm going to teach you step by step on how to promote products online. So you could be sleeping and you wake up in the morning and you see that income right in your bank account. It's one of the best feelings in the world to be omnipresent all the time, and you're helping people, the most important part. So I'm going to teach you all the strategies to my success online, and you can be an affiliate with me, and I'll be so grateful, and I'll be so happy to serve you. So we'll see all of you tonight at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. There'll be a link right below. If you're just seeing this now, it's past 4 o'clock. Once you sign up to be an affiliate, you will also be getting the recordings. So until I see you live, be happy, be healthy, and be free.